Kia ora, welcome to Edge Learning. In this video we're going to have a look at what to do when you put an email onto a caregiver and it says that that email is in use. So we go to the caregivers page and the student details and then edit the caregiver. This caregiver has no email. I'm going to edit and add that email in. And when I come down and go save changes, it doesn't actually save and it tells me up the top that that email is already in use by another Edge account. The email address is how a caregiver or staff member logs in, so it must be unique because it is their login. It probably means that there is another copy of this person around with that email on them already in the database. So what we need to do is close this one and come down to add a new caregiver. So we type in the details exactly the same as they are above. Just a note with the gender, if you don't find it first time, one of the first things to check is to try the opposite gender, because sometimes these things can get entered incorrectly to start with. And we go search, but this time just with the email, not with any cell phone, just so we don't confuse it. So when we go search, it finds a match down below. Check the details that are there, and then you can click on use the following record and put the details in and save, and then you'll have two copies of that person on there, one with the email address and one without. If there's any details that need to be copied over, then copy those over, and what I would suggest you do is edit the existing one, put an asterisk after the name just so that you separate that one out. And obviously you will need to untick the student's address if the student's address is on that person, and we will copy over any other details as well. Save changes, so then we can make this one have the student's address and pop in the address. Save those changes there, and the last step is the asterisk version. Once we've copied everything we need across, can now be removed. Okay, occasionally the name is a different name or different spelling of the name and can't be found. If you're getting stuck with any of this, then just give us a call on the help desk or email us the name of the student, the name of the caregiver that you're adding on, and obviously the email that is coming up with that message. Thanks for your time. Hope that's useful. Ka kite.